to enable or turn on dark mode on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enable dark mode on Pinterest. For that, you will have to open your Pinterest application on your mobile device, navigate to the home page and look at the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On this page, click on the settings icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. This action will open up your settings menu. Now proceed to click on account management, and within this section you will find app theme. Click on it. Within the app theme options, you will find system default, light theme and dark theme. To enable dark mode, select the dark option. Once you have made this choice, your Pinterest application will seamlessly transition from its default theme to the stylish dark mode. And congratulations, you have successfully activated dark mode on Pinterest. Now enjoy exploring a more visually appealing interface on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.